Lose Fat with AI Review. 7 crucial things you need to know. Best just released AI software. If you've been looking for a way to lose fat and get in shape faster, you've probably come across the Lose Fat with AI software that was just released. You might be wondering if it's really all it claims to be, or if it's just another hyped up program. In this review, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this software so you can decide if it's right for you. Stick around till the end because there's one key feature of this software that could make all the difference for your fitness journey. First off, this AI software isn't your typical weight loss tool. It's designed to analyze your unique body type, activity level, and even your eating habits, then uses that data to create a completely customized fitness and diet plan. What's incredible about this AI is its adaptability. The software doesn't just give you a one-size-fits-all routine. It constantly adjusts to how your body is responding, helping you stay on track and avoid hitting plateaus. Another standout feature is how the AI tracks your progress in real time. With daily updates and reminders based on your activity, the software ensures you're always moving forward, whether that means hitting your calorie target or hitting your workout goals. It even syncs with wearables like Fitbit and Apple Watch to give it a full picture of your lifestyle. Now, what makes this software unique is its focus on sustainability. It doesn't just give you temporary fixes, but focuses on long-term health and wellness. The AI makes suggestions to help you keep your metabolism high and your energy levels balanced, so you don't end up in that dreaded cycle of yo-yo dieting. The third crucial thing you need to know is its ease of use. Unlike other complicated fat loss programs, Lose Fat with AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. The interface is simple, intuitive, and easy to navigate, so you can focus on what really matters, your health. One of the best parts about this software is its diet recommendations. The AI doesn't just tell you what to eat, it provides you with meal ideas that are both practical and enjoyable, ensuring you don't feel deprived or frustrated. Plus, it takes into account your personal food preferences, dietary restrictions, and lifestyle, so there's no guesswork involved. As for support, the software comes with access to a team of expert nutritionists and fitness coaches. So, if you ever need advice or have questions, you're covered. This makes it stand out from a lot of other weight loss tools, where you're left to figure things out on your own. Another thing I want to mention is the pricing. While many weight loss programs can be expensive, this AI software offers a very affordable subscription model. And, if you're curious to try it, you can actually get started completely free using the link in the description below. That's right. You can test it out and see if it's the right fit for your goals before committing to anything. The last thing I'll point out is how the software's AI-driven insights help you stay accountable. It sends reminders and checks in with you regularly, ensuring you stay motivated and on track to reach your fat loss goals. If you've struggled with staying motivated in the past, this could be the solution you've been looking for. If you want to see how well it really works, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can find the free trial link in the description below, along with some other recommended AI software I've personally tested. After trying out thousands of AI tools, I've found that these are the ones that actually deliver results. So, if you're looking to lose fat with the help of AI, this software could be the game changer you need. Try it for free, and make sure to stick around for more updates and reviews on the best AI tools out there.